We all want to know as much about our leads as possible, but how do you do that without asking them to fill out a ridiculously long form? One answer is HubSpot's progressive fields.
Welcome to HubSpot Hacks, where we help you get more out of HubSpot.
HubSpot forms come with the ability to swap out questions that you already know the answer to ones that you don't know the answer to. So as your leads fill out more and more forms, you learn more and more about them. So how do you do this? Let's dive in. So here we are on the forms page. You get here by going to marketing, lead capture, and forms. And we're gonna go ahead and create a new form. And we wanna do a regular form today. So we're gonna hit next. This first screen here is gonna show you a few different options, but we're gonna start with a blank template for now. So we're gonna hit start. And now we see HubSpot's default form builder. So it's always gonna have you ask for email, so it's always gonna have that built in. But let's say we also wanna know their first name. We're gonna drag that over here. And we wanna know their last name. And let's say this is all we wanna ask for now. This is the first time they're gonna fill out a form from us. We don't wanna be too overbearing and make them fill out a bunch of fields. So we're just gonna ask for these 2 fields the first time they fill out a form. But once they've filled this out once, we already know their last name. We don't need to keep asking this over and over again. So let's say we'd rather know their company name rather than asking for their last name again. So that's where this progressive field functionality really comes in handy. If you scroll down here, you can see this little option under here that says queued progressive fields. And right now it's showing that we don't have any. So if you pop that open, it'll show you just a little bit, kind of tell you a little bit about what they are. But basically what happens is anytime somebody fills out a form that you select up here, a field that you select up here, then the next time they fill it out, it's gonna replace that field with one down here. So the first thing you need to do is add fields down here. So let's say company name is what we want to know next. So we're going to drag company name over here. And now let's say we already know their last name, we already know their company name. The third time they fill this out, we want to replace it with their job role. So that's a custom field that we've created. We're going to drag that over right underneath that company name. All right, but now we have to tell HubSpot which of these fields we want to replace with these ones. So we're gonna go here, last name, and I'm gonna hit edit. And if you scroll down here, you'll see this option here. So progressive field options. This is the action to take if the field has already been submitted. So we already know what their last name is. We don't wanna leave the field on the form. We wanna replace this with a queued progressive field. And we don't want that queued progressive field to be before the email, so we're actually gonna ask email first. So now what this is gonna look like to a new user on your website, the first time they fill out a form, they're just gonna be asked email, first name and last name. But the next time they come back, because this is marked progressive field, it's gonna get replaced with this company name. And after they have this company name, the third time they fill it out, they'll be replaced with this job role. So that's all there is to it to set up the progressive fields. You're always gonna wanna check your form options. You can do things here like change your thank you message or redirect to another page. You can also send your internal notifications if you would like to, all of your cookie tracking and pre-populating fields. So whenever you have progressive fields, this is always a good option to have selected because those 2 fields that we left on the form, that first name and email, those will already be pre-populated. So they won't have to fill those out. They'll still be displayed on the form, but now they're able to fill out a form with only having to fill in 1 field. So it increases conversions even further. You can style and preview it if you'd like, change any of the style options, see what the form's gonna look like. But that really is all there is to it. Super simple, and now you don't have to ask a whole lot of questions, but you can learn a whole lot about your leads. If you have anything else you'd like us to cover in a future video, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. You're welcome to ask any questions about this video as well. And as always, for more HubSpot hacks, tips, and how-tos, make sure you hit that subscribe button.